Hi ma'am and sir, my name is Giancarlo Canoy and to this video, I will reciting the PBMGO. First is philosophy. The Cebu Eastern College believe that the best education is electric education, inscribed is a culture of excellence, freedom, and relevance. For vision, Cebu Eastern College Incorporated, a non-profit private educational institution that adopts Confucian values, holistic, morally upright, and globally competent graduates equipped with 21st century skills and contributes meaningfully to the community. For the mission is a Filipino-Chinese institution that aims to produce leaders who possess Confucian values, foster academic and extracurricular excellence, and private service with integrity. The Cebu Eastern College Incorporated aims to develop academically excellence, morally upright, and competent learners, grounded in Confucian values who pursue harmony, integrity, and lifelong learning. For our objective number one is to cultivate students who practice Confucian values such as respect, discipline, humility, righteousness, and responsibility in their daily lives. And for number two is to provide quality instruction and a rigorous curriculum that promotes ethical thinking, creativity, and lifelong learning. And for number three is to encourage active participants is a extracurricular that extracurricular activities that enhance integrity, enhance leadership skills, teamwork, and personal growth. And for number four is to develop ethical leadership grounded in service, social responsibility, and Confucian skills, ideals. Number five is to instill ability serves others responsibility, honestly, and selflessly, fostering integrity in a very of act of service.